One. Stick your leg out. The other one. The opposite.
What?
Okay, that's that leg. And then 1, 2, and then
I just want to do this thing.
so you do this, and then you swing it at the same time. Ow!
I got a better idea.
Titanic.
What?
Titanic.
Ah!
Careful, there's a tree.
Yeah, don't let go. I said don't let go.
Oh, my foot. No. Come here. Copper! Ah! Run, jump.
What?
Run, jump.
I mean, like from Age
Your
Grade
arms.
Marbles? Like from Age Grade Marble?
Yeah.
I don't think that's exactly the right way to do that.
I messed up. Oh.
Alright.
No!
It's a very interesting outfit.
Hands. Hey, I got my hands.
I feel this is gonna hurt.
I'm so bored
yeah.
of holding this.
Ready? Yeah, this don't work very well.
Don't let go. Don't slide either.
Ow! Dude, I'm sorry.